How do you handle grief and loss of loved ones?
A very practical way, I would say, is to manifest a small altar.
What's that?
A small, normally if you go to the cemetery, normally you also have like sometimes the stone or with a picture of the beloved one. But just something like this is not at the cemetery. We have it in our tradition. We have it like on this wall, for example. It's just a picture of your father, a picture of your mother. Yeah, and in front of it, like either a candle, some flowers next to it. And just, for example, every year on the day, either on the birthday or on the day when they were still like here on the earth, we just like think about them. You invest your lifetime to stand in front of that picture of the beloved one and still try to spend your lifetime on the thought of that person. This is the realest thing you can still do to connect even with a person that is not physically here on this world with us anymore. That's why we have these type of altars. I cannot stop my beloved ones sooner or later from passing. Yeah, but I can keep them. I can still keep them as a ritual in my daily life when I go on. So this is the way how also for us we can limit a little bit the grief. Then, of course, also merge together with the philosophical or with the teachings, let's say, like